In this video, we are going to talk about 10 weird ways to make money while you sit at home. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel and ring the bell for our future updates. You'll learn about some unusual ways to generate additional money online in this video. We've all heard of affiliate marketing and Google AdSense, but there are a few additional lesser-known choices that can suit your needs. Enjoy the video and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Number 10. Matchmaking. If you appreciate the idea of assisting others in finding the ideal companion in life, Talkify is a good place to start. You can work from home as a personal matchmaker, assisting people in finding the right person to date. According to reports, connections made through the site have an 80% success rate, and some matchmakers earn 6 figures. Fill out your first profile. Create a simple profile and submit your best images to get started. This is merely a beginner profile that we'll develop based on our discussions with you. Talkify is not a dating site, but rather a matchmaking service. That means your matches will be chosen by humans rather than machines, and we'll use your profile information and photo to do so. Your identified, profile, or personal information will never be shared. Choose the best strategy for you. Do you want a personal matchmaker, assured matches, and a tailored experience? Choose to become a client. Do you prefer a more passive approach? Sign up for a Matchable membership and you'll be paired with one of our clients. We'll contact you for further screening if you're chosen as a prospective match for a customer. Meet your personal matchmaker. When you sign up as a client, we'll assign you to a matchmaker who is a good match for you. Then, with the help of your personal matchmaker, you'll plunge into your love life. This will aid in determining compatibility for dates. Take advantage of your carefully crafted dates with your matches. We won't just hand over your phone number and wish you luck after the introductions are over. We'll arrange and schedule an intriguing, unique dating experience to alleviate the burden and stress out of first date planning. You simply turn up, eager to meet a new fantastic person and have a good time. Number 9. Mock jury. You can visit EJURY's website if you believe it would be fun to make money as a pretend juror, assisting lawyers in their preparation for real trials. You can earn $5 to $10 per case and receive payment through PayPal. What is EJURY and how does it work? Before the case goes to trial in front of a real jury at the courthouse, an attorney can use EJURY to pre-try the case. Cases are normally tried in front of jurors of 12 people at the courthouse. Each case is tried in front of a minimum of 50 persons at EJURY. This supplies the attorney with a wealth of information that he or she can utilize to determine a settlement value, identify evidence strengths and weaknesses, learn public sentiments, improve jury selection, discover the most effective arguments, and so on. The usual EJURY scenario is as follows. Step 1. The attorney drafts the case submission, which includes facts from each party's point of view, jury questions to be used at trial, and personal inquiries to elicit more comment. Step 2. EJURY translates the attorney's case submission into HTML format, and posts it to a secure area of our website where only e-jurors in the selected county can access it. The county's e-jurors are then notified through email that a new case has been uploaded. Step 3. The e-jurors return to our website, log in, and begin studying the evidence and answering the questions, each pressing the Submit Verdict button when they are through. The case is automatically closed after the required number of verdicts, typically 50, has been reached. For those who are interested in seeing the results, a case summary will be posted later. Number 8. Write greeting cards. You can make money online at Blue Mountain Arts and Calypso Cards if you're creative and can come up with good birthday, holiday, or other greeting card ideas. At Blue Mountain Arts, you might be paid up to $300 for the right to your card, or roughly $50 per accepted idea at Calypso Cards. Number 7. Stop deleting your emails. If you're anything like me, you receive thousands of emails every day that just keep stacking up. There's no way going through them all and deleting them would be worth the effort, and now there's a compelling reason not to. Small Business Knowledge Center, SBK Center, will pay you for your junk mail. They accept direct mail and emails as payment and reward you with prepaid credit cards or gift cards. Why? Because they're a market research firm that is interested in researching various forms of marketing materials. Every 6 to 10 weeks, you should expect to make approximately $20. How to become a consumer panelist. As a member of the consumer panel, you will be invited to give us direct postal and email messages on a regular basis about the following topics: health, life, home, auto, identity theft, travel protection, and other types of insurance are available. IRA, rollovers, mutual funds, brokerage, 401k, pensions, and other investments, annuities. Mortgages and loans include things like mortgages, home equity loans, auto loans, personal loans, and so on. Checking, savings, money market, certificates of deposit, rewards or loyalty programs, and so on are all types of banking. How will you be compensated? You can earn participation points that can be exchanged for a Visa debit card by becoming a consumer panelist. Simply do the following tasks to receive points. Direct mail. Use the postage-paid envelopes we offer to mail your qualified direct mail and return it to us once a week. Send us your qualified emails via email. Bonuses. Earn bonuses by introducing friends and participating in our monthly consumer panelist newsletters. Bonus possibilities. Number 6. Old gift cards can be sold. You may sell outdated gift cards on Raise for cash if you find them tucked under a pile of clutter or in old birthday cards that you don't want. If you choose, you can even sell partially used gift cards. However, the purpose of this website is for users to be able to acquire cash for gift cards they don't want and for others to be able to buy gift cards at a reduced price. Number 5. Go for a walk. We all walk at least a little each day, so why not turn it into a source of income? Bitwalking is a cryptocurrency-based program that pays you to simply walk around. If you give it a shot, you might be able to earn compensated for something you already do. Number 4. Make money off of your friendship. You literally sell your time by the hour to go do things with your friends and have fun at various events. This is made possible by the website Rent-A-Friend. If you're a nice, outgoing person, it could be a terrific way to supplement your income. Number 3. Create a company within a video game. Maybe starting a business in real life is a little too hazardous right now? Why not generate money by starting a business in a video game? Second Life is one of the most popular websites that pays you to play a computer game. One of the reasons it's so popular is that you can cash out your in-game winnings for real cash. Number 2. Put advertisements on your lock screen. Why not make some additional money from your phone's lock screen, which isn't doing anything anyway? Allowing advertising on your phone's lock screen with Android apps like SlideJoy and Fronto can generate passive money with little risk. You can also turn them off at any time. Fronto claims to only be interested in paying you to unlock your Android phone. But it isn't that easy. Let's have a look at how this lock screen software works. You'll construct a profile containing information about yourself after downloading the app on your phone, which they'll use to display you advertising that might be of interest to you. If you notice an ad that interests you, swipe left. Otherwise, swipe right to continue unlocking your Android phone. They'll pay you even if you opt to ignore an ad, but if you choose to interact with the ad, you'll earn extra. Number 1. Weight loss. Here's some inspiration to get healthier if you've ever needed it. It's possible to make money while doing it. HealthyWage and DietBet are two websites where you may earn thousands of dollars simply by losing weight or earning first place in a tournament. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 video channel.